Also, the government has also accepted the 5-point charter that was submitted by CJP representatives, which essentially deals with examinations and educational reforms, how to make examinations more leak-proof. All of that suggestions have also been positively accepted by the central government, and that is also, and this the whole the acceptance of the demand has also been reiterated by JP Nadda as well as Jitendra Singh in their statements after the third round of meet at the Constitution Club of India today.
All right. Well, after CJP withdrew its agitation as all government accepted the demands, now the protesters were seen cleaning the Jantar Mantar protest site. Let's listen into this report filed by my colleague.
After the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, the Education Minister, the CJP has called off the protest at the Jantar Mantar. And as the protest at the Jantar Mantar draws to an end, what we are seeing is that the protesters have taken upon themselves to clean the Sansad Marg area that was, occupied for quite some time right since the protest began. Right in front of me, as you can see, the protesters here have taken upon themselves to wipe the whole Sansad Marg area. It's quite a long stretch. In fact, it's quite a 100-meter to 200-meter stretch that was occupied by the protesters throughout this week. That obviously attracted a lot of garbage because of the long occupancy of the humans and in fact high number of footfalls. But that whole street, as you can see on your screen, that is being wiped by the protesters. So quite a show, quite a spectacle of responsibility that the protesters are showing here. So this is reporting for NewsX.
Well, after CJP announced the end of protests at Jantar Mantar, internet blackout has been lifted in Jantar Mantar area, is what we are learning. Well, as was done about a couple of days ago, Atul, my colleague, is with us on the broadcast. Atul, it is being told that the internet services in certain parts in and around Jantar Mantar have been restored.
Well, yes, Vinay, it was quite a struggle reporting from Jantar Mantar for a week now, but finally it seems like the internet has started working, and across the stretch of the Jantar Mantar as well as the Sansad Marg, as the Tolstoy Marg, all these areas we have been traversing this evening after the protest was officially called off. And now we can certainly, with great confirmation, we can say that the internet has been restored in the area. The normal services are back. However, as of now, the internet speed remains quite slow because of the fact that there is large concentration of people at the Jantar Mantar. Yet, as I speak, even though some of the protesters have left, there are still a lot of number of protesters here who are celebrating, capturing their own movement, and there is certainly high internet usage, which has kept the speed quite slow, but certainly the internet has been restored, as well as all the metro gates across the DMRC's line have also been opened after the protest has been called off.
My colleague Javed Hussain is also joining us at this point in time. Javed, मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं?
जी बिल्कुल, मुझे आपकी आवाज मिल रही है।
जी, क्या मंजर है जंतर मंतर पर अभी?
जो है पूरी तरीके से जो प्रदर्शनकारी वो नहीं गए हैं, धीरे धीरे प्रदर्शनकारी जो हैं और जो समर्थक थे और खासतौर से जो आज इस प्रोटेस्ट को देखने आए थे, वो उनकी भीड़ भी इस वक्त मौजूद है और धीरे धीरे जो है वो बाहर की तरफ निकल रहे हैं। और दिल्ली पुलिस के तमाम जो सीनियर ऑफिसर्स हैं इस वक्त हालात का जायजा ले रहे हैं और कई अधिकारी इस वक्त ग्राउंड पे ही है, जंतर मंतर के पास ही है, क्योंकि देखिए कनाट प्लेस का जो पूरा इलाका है, कनाट प्लेस हालांकि 6:30 बजे तक बंद किया जा रहा था सीजेपी प्रोटेस्ट को देखते हुए, और जो है ट्रेडर्स एसोसिएशन की तरफ से कहा गया था। लेकिन अब इस पूरे मामले में जो है जिस तरीके से जो है कॉल ऑफ ले लिया गया है, प्रोटेस्ट को खत्म करने की सीजेपी की तरफ से कॉल कर दी गई है, जो उसको लेकर अनाउंसमेंट भी किया गया और अब ऐसा कहा जा रहा है कि धीरे धीरे जो
All right, well, celebrations have continued at Jantar Mantar. We're going to listen into this ground report.
It's been well over 6 hours since Dharmendra Pradhan resigned and several hours since CJP spokesperson Saurabh Das along with JP Nadda and others in a joint press conference called for an end to the protest and asked protesters to move back and vacate the protest site. But as of now, what we are seeing here is that protesters continue to celebrate their movement. They feel that they have been, vindicated in their demand, in their stand, and that is what they are celebrating. If I could show you here, protesters here at the venue right now is very, very high. Several of the protesters have indeed left the protest site after celebration, but what we see is that another set of protesters keep arriving at the protest site, and they want to celebrate this moment. Some of them also beautifully capturing the moment that they are having. This is a moment that they had been waiting for several weeks. That moment they are enjoying to the fullest, capturing them to their cameras, and having the collective sense of nation. That is what we are seeing right now here. Now remember, protesters had to endure a lot because of the police crackdown that they had to that they faced on July 20th while they were marching to the parliament. Now post that, what we saw was a resolve that got even more stronger, a determination that got even more stronger, and a number and a crowd that kept swelling after that. And that probably resulted in the government finally deciding to, budge and ask the Dharmendra Pradhan for resignation. That is something which Gen Zs have echoed after the, after the resignation. They have been saying that their collective strength, their collective power has, in fact, forced the government to bend and, change their stand. So as of now, despite CJP asking protesters to vacate the site, this whole stretch, the Tolstoy Marg and the Sansad Marg that leads to the protest sites from the CP continues to have large footfalls, and people continue to pour in here to celebrate for the one final time. This is Atul Ranjan for NewsX, Delhi.
Well, after meeting Delhi Police Commissioner Anurag Kumar, Cockroach Janata Party's chief spokesperson